The IP Enclosures S1 range of electrical enclosures are powder-coated galvanized steel single-door enclosures designed to house a variety of electrical switch and control equipment. They are suitable for internal and external electrical installations for industrial, infrastructure, commercial and communications applications. All IP enclosures are built to precision to ensure consistent high-quality standards. S1 single-door, IP66. The robust monoblock body is fabricated using galvanized steel sheet. The door is designed for a 110 degrees opening. Gland plates are provided with gaskets and fasteners. The IP Enclosures S2 range of electrical enclosures are powder-coated galvanized steel double-door enclosures designed to house a variety of electrical switch and control equipment. S2 double-door, IP55. Cutting, pressing and full continuous seam welding using precision automated manufacturing equipment to ensure accuracy and consistent high quality. The robust surface-mounted doors are fabricated using 1.5 mm galvanized steel sheet and incorporates concealed removable hinges with captive pins. The device mounting plate is fabricated using 1.5 mm galvanized steel sheet, pressed to provide additional strength and supplied pre-fitted into the enclosure as standard. Phone 9256-2133. Go to www.powercontrol.com.au or email sales@powercontrol.com.au.